Yo everyone, welcome to pankajtiwari.com. Today, as you know, it's Mother's Day. We should do something for our mothers, a surprise for them. So let's make a love sandwich for them. As we are having here, a cucumber, tomato, onion, beetroot, chaat masala, butter, cheese, mint chutney, bread, mayonnaise and sauce. And as we require cucumber to cut it. So let's start making. First we will cut cucumber. So I have cut cucumber and we are having here. So there is no need, no requirement. Now we will take a slice of bread and we will spread butter on it. We will apply a plenty amount of butter on it because we need our mother to be healthy as always. So now as you can see we have applied a plenty amount of butter. Now we have applied butter on it. Now we will spread cucumber. One, two, three, 4 and 5. We have put cucumber on it. Now we will put tomato. 1 and 2. As we need a cooked tomato to be divided equally, so we are putting it diagonally. We have placed cucumber and now onion. Now we will put some beetroot on it. And now as we can see, we have applied beetroot also. We will sprinkle a small amount of chaat masala on it, or as is the requirement of your taste. Now to cover this slice of bread, we will take another slice of bread and we will put some chutney on it. We have applied chutney. Now, it is not a requirement, but if your mother wants cheese, then please put it. We will divide it equally so that whenever she takes a bite, there should be cheese on it and also the taste. We have put cheese. Now, we will put mayonnaise. With mayonnaise, the taste of sauce, it's better. But my mother doesn't like it, so I will not apply it. We will just take this loaf of bread, which is having chutney on it, and we'll put it on it like this. Of course, it is not possible to eat such a big bread, so we will cut it. Our bread is ready. If you need to do some working on it, garnishing, so you can just put a small amount of tomato like this. That's it. Now we will apply sauce at last. As you can see, I have created a smiley on it. One from this side and one from this side. Now I would like my mother to please come and taste it.
So yummy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
It is tasty.